Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited for this rifle right here. This is something that I didn't even really completely know that was going to be coming out right now, and I happened to see this out in the wild on Sunday. Well, I left it there, and I thought about, is that the route I want to go? Is that something I want to try? Well, by Monday morning, by the time they opened, I had called and had it reserved because I needed to have it. So without further ado, I'll show you what we have in this box. This is the all-new Ruger Gen 2 in 22 Creedmoor. I'm pretty happy with the fit and finish on these things. The accuracy has been really good with these Ruger Americans. We actually just were messing around with a 22 ARC one of these, and we were very impressed with how it shot. I think for the industry, for the coyote hunting industry, I think that this is going to be a good deal. Currently, kind of if you were looking at just getting a entry-level 22 Creedmoor with a good barrel on it, say you're going to rebarrel a good, one of the good Savages, and put a good barrel on it, you were looking entry by time you, if you didn't have a good stock, you're probably going to be somewhere in the $1,000 to $1,200 neighborhood, just putting the gun together to start with. This rifle right here is $599, but we'll say it's sub $600 gun. Actually, this was part of the sales promotion that's going on right now with a lot of places with Ruger rifles. So I ended up paying before tax $549 for this rifle. I did pay for it. They didn't send it to me. Although if Ruger does want to send me anything to test out, I definitely will. But yeah, it comes in this box. It's got the bolt here, side bolt release, 3-position safety. It's got a 1/2 by 28 threaded barrel. It does come with a muzzle brake on it. I'm going to be switching that out when we get to that point of the build. I shouldn't say build, of setup. The trigger on these things, they're good. I'll adjust this one down and use the factory trigger for the time being, but they do make aftermarket triggers for these. Timney makes the aftermarket trigger, and I just shot a rifle last night with a Timney trigger in it, and I'm very impressed with those as well. These just have a little bit more creep than I would like. They're a little bit gritty of a creep. 3-round mag. I'm not 100% sure. Looks like just like the normal Ruger American 308 sized mag. So I'll be getting probably a couple more of those. It comes with your standard lock and key and your owner's manual, as well as I believe, a sticker, some registration stuff, on how to set your trigger and things of that nature. So yeah. So that's the unboxing on this rifle. I'm very excited to go through it and make sure everything is set properly. I want to make sure that these rail screws are torqued. I want to make sure the action screws are torqued before I do anything else. I'm going to be mounting an Athlon scope that I have on it for the time being, just to get the barrel broke in, and we're actually going to check accuracy on this with 3 or 4 different load combinations, factory load combinations. And then ultimately I'm going to use this for load development, kind of for our personal coyote hunting. This thing will wear a thermal. I haven't decided if I'm going to put it in a chassis or if I'm just going to put the ARC rail on. There's actually bosses in here to install an ARC rail, but this thing, I'm not going to retire the 6 ARC yet. I do really enjoy hunting coyotes with that, especially some of that new ammo that I've been working on has been phenomenal in that 6 ARC, very accurate, and it puts them down good. But I foresee testing and using this quite a bit. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I hope you guys are as excited about this as I am. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get this thing on the bench. I'm not going to bore you guys by making an hour-long video and go through everything that I do on this rifle. I'm actually going to do like a mini series with another Ruger Gen 2 that I have that is going to be a different setup, but I'm going to go through on that one on what I actually do. This one, I'm going to get to it. I want to get this thing broke in, and we're going to start accuracy testing. I have the cameras charging right now to get put down on the targets, and that'll be part 2 of this. So yeah, if you guys like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and then be looking for the part 2 that will be coming out a couple days after this video, if not maybe the day after. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.